Time for your new pieces. Let's start from the number 10. I will ask you to do them in the same way we did the pieces last time, in 4 steps. Step 1, clap and count. Clap and sing, or name the notes. Play and sing, or name the notes and play. Let's do stage 1. We're gonna count, saying 1, 2, 3, 4, and clap the rhythm. The time signature is 4/4, which means you have 4 crotchets per bar, or 2 minims per bar, because 1 minim contains 2 crotchets. For this piece, you will need to learn minims, crotchets, and the minim rest. Let's start. For the minim, we're gonna clap and close the note to make sure we don't clap on the second beat. Let's see how that works in the 1 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the rest, try to disconnect your hands to avoid clapping. I think we're ready to start. Join me on the first beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we do a little analysis, because the piece is quite long, you can see that the first 2 lines are identical, and there is only 1 difference in the line 3 second bar. To save the time, I'm gonna do the line 2 and 3 only. This time we're gonna clap the pulse and name or sing the notes. Let's start. Join me on the first beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, E, E, D, 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 E, E, D, rest, rest. D, E, D, E, D, D, E, E, D, rest. Let's play and sing or name the notes. Before you start, make sure you found the first position, first finger E. Here it is. Okay, now take it off, but don't go too far and keep it above the same place. Join me on the first beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, E, E, D, 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 E, E, D, rest, rest. D, D, E, E, D, 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 E, E, D, rest. D, E, changes. D, E, D, D, E, E, D, rest. And now we're gonna play. Before you start, find the note E. Here it is, and keep it above the string. Join me on the first beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. To understand an accompaniment for the number 10, I will play the first bar. My notes will be much quicker and you will need to wait for my notes. I'm gonna play slowly and count so you can follow your part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your 2 notes will go against my 8 notes. Now I will show you where to place your note. You will be playing on the beat 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means you're joining me on the first and the third beat. D, E, and so on. The bar with the crotchets, the third bar. You will be joining me on the first, second, third, and the fourth beats. Let me play my part so you know where to place your notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you understand where to place your notes. You will need to do it few times in a slow tempo. I'm gonna count and play my part so you know where to place your notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four.